Here are 19 high-fiber cold lunch ideas perfect for adults, whether you're packing for work, meal prepping, or just want gut-friendly, no-heat meals that keep you full and energized. Salads 1. Chickpea and quinoa salad, chickpeas, quinoa, cucumbers, bell peppers, lemon tahini dressing 2. Lentil and roasted veggie salad, cooked lentils, roasted sweet potatoes, arugula, olive oil. 3. Black bean and corn salad, black beans, corn, avocado, tomatoes, lime juice 4. Kale and apple slaw, shredded kale, green apples, carrots, sunflower seeds, vinaigrette 5. Edamame and broccoli salad, steamed edamame, broccoli, red cabbage, sesame dressing wraps and sandwiches 6. Hummus veggie wrap, whole wheat wrap with hummus, spinach, shredded carrots, and cucumbers. 7. Avocado and black bean wrap, mashed avocado, black beans, lettuce, salsa and a whole grain wrap 8. Chickpea tuna salad sandwich, mashed chickpeas with vegan mayo, celery, and mustard on whole grain bread 9. Turkey and spinach whole grain wrap, lean turkey breast, spinach, tomato, and mustard 10. Tempeh lettuce wraps, cold marinated tempeh strips, carrots, and cucumber in lettuce cups. Grain bowls and pasta 11. Farro and roasted veggie bowl, farro with roasted Brussels sprouts, beets, and chickpeas 12. Whole wheat pasta with white beans and spinach, tossed in olive oil with garlic and herbs 13. Brown rice and avocado bowl, add black beans, corn, and salsa for a Mexican twist 14. Barley tabbouleh, parsley, tomatoes, cucumbers, lemon juice, olive oil. 15. Couscous and chickpea bowl, add dried cranberries, pistachios, and baby spinach bento and snack box ideas 16. High fiber bento box, apple slices, almond butter, whole grain crackers, edamame, cherry tomatoes 17. Greek yogurt and berry box, unsweetened Greek yogurt, chia seeds, raspberries, walnuts 18. DIY hummus box, hummus, baby carrots, celery sticks, whole wheat pita wedges, olives. 19. Hard-boiled egg and veggie box, eggs, snap peas, cherry tomatoes, whole grain toast points, mixed nuts bonus tips, aim for 25-35 g of fiber per day for adults. Choose whole grains, legumes, veggies, fruits, and seeds. Pair with water to help fiber do its job effectively. Thank you for watching.